Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, amigas, welcome back to day 8 of 12 days of tutorials. Yay! I made it thus far. But yeah, anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. So, you know, I've had this, haven't used it, so I want to use it today. I want to show it some love. So as you can see, the look is going to be, you know, fairly simple due to the colors, but it's going to be pretty, okay? So this is what the palette looks like right here. And yeah, if you're interested to see what look I come up with using this palette, then please keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties, ¿cómo están? How are you all doing today? So yeah, I'm a little tired. I'm exhausted actually. But we're gonna do this look, okay? So like I said, I'm gonna be using this Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. And yeah, before we jump in, let me just say this. I know, like, I'm a broken record. I know, but I just want to let you know that I did my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony to outline, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Powder to fill them in. And then to carve the bottom of my eyebrows and prime the lids, I used MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I should do a shirt but saying that same spiel because I start all my videos with that. But anyways, let's jump into the eye tutorial. So let's see, is there a nice shade here? Oh yeah, okay. So I think I want to do like a bronzy look today since there's so many like bronzy shades. So pretty. So let's see. I don't know. All right, let me get my blending brush. Let me clean it with my color switch. And I think I want to go into the shade. Let's go into Vague, which is this shade right here. It's like a mauvey pink, but I feel like it's appropriate. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I dipped my brush into Mesh, but no. We're gonna go into Vague. And we're gonna throw it in the crease like so. Actually, I'm gonna put it down a little bit, and I'm gonna grab my mirror just because I like to keep it up close and personal. But yeah, we're using Vague in the crease. Alrighty, so now I think I'm gonna go into the shade Tender with this, which is this nice brown shade, and I'm gonna throw that shade in the inner part of the lid, just to see the intensity of that shade, and then if anything, we can use that darker brown. I actually don't want to go too dark, so I think this shade is gonna do. I love the Natasha Denona formula. They blend so seamlessly. I think I'll forever buy her eyeshadow palettes because they're that good. I'm just gonna go back into my blending brush that I use in the crease, and I'm just gonna blend over that again to make sure everything is nice and blended. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go into the shimmer shades For the shimmer shades, you know, I always use like some type of a glitter glue. I'm going to be using the McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and that's only because I bought it and I have it here on hand. So I'm just going to swipe this on this part of the eyes. But yeah, and I do feel like it helps with you know, fallout, and I do feel like my glitters last using that, but I can use other products that work just as well as that one. You don't have to spend the $37 with this. I just use it because I have it. So I think I'm gonna go into E.L.F, which is this beautiful shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that. Ooh, that's pretty. Basically all over the lid. That is so pretty. Now I think I'm gonna go into the shade Filigree. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go over that shade. Ooh, that's pretty too. Alrighty, now I think I'm gonna go into the shade, I want to say Muse. So this shade right here, and I'm going to use that shade in the inner part of the lid. So in this inner part right here. Ooh. So now I'm going to try and get a small brush, of course, to get in that inner corner. Let me just clean it with my switch. And I'm going to go back into that shade Delilah. It's like a silvery pink shade, really pretty. But I'm gonna try and get it in here. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with my blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend in here to make sure everything's blended out nicely. But yeah, see, easy peasy. But yeah, I mean, I really like this. This is like a smoky brown look. Yeah, I like it, and it's simple, but it brings it up a notch. So let me jump off camera, do liner, apply lashes, do the face, and then I'll come back and show you the final results. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas, so this is the final look using the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. So what do you guys think? It has a little bit of pink, it's a little bit smoky, but wearable, which I love. And I love these browns. I'm so glad I used this because now I can use this for work. These browns are stunning, and they're wearable. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad I didn't use this, but I used it today. But yeah, amigas, this is the look. As you can see, it's very simple, very neutral, very wearable. So yeah, I love that I didn't do much work because, you know, the formula is just that good. But yeah, anyways, amigas, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.